Hi, dear student. We have learned about programming generation. generation. We learned about 4G, 4GL, 4 generation language, and also learned about natural language. Okay. Someone did not do the video class. That's why I am going to last video class topic. That's not it. Bad sound. करो. Clear to bad sound. Welcome to FC. So welcome to FC. I'm muting all because you are making noise. So disturbful for class. Today's topic, let's review programming language. Programming language is the medium of expression of mind. Every language has the own alphabet and grammar. Every language has own alphabet and grammar. Computer cannot understand human language, but it does understand its own language. The letters used in computer language are 0 and 1. You know, computer language is machine language. That's why 0 and 1 is the computer language. That means alphabet of computer is 0 and 1. The program has to be written in language with special rule using some signal and symbols that the computer can understand. That means the sign, symbol and rules together that are used to create a program is called programming language. Computer use different computer programming or programmer use different rules, regulation, some signal, some symbol that together is called together used to create a program is called programming language. Just as there are different language between people, computer also have different language, but whatever the language being used, all computer can understand 0 and 1. That means different computer use different language. Bengali use Bangla, Rush use Russian, English use English. That's different citizen use different language, and they made their programming or program or software by using their own language, but computer understand one is language, that means machine language, and alphabet is 0 and 1. Okay, Praso, unmute and question. 0 and 1 is the machine language. Computer use 0 and 1. We know binary language, binary number. Computer use binary number. Binary numbers means 0 and 1. Computer only know or can use 0 and 1, and that's why computer's alphabet is 0 and 1. Clear to you? Computer's alphabet is 0 and 1. Computer only understand 0 and 1, but we understand our own language like Bangla, like English. When we write computer programming, we write in English, but computer do not understand English language. He has to know the language converter. We will start language converter next classes, because I supposed to do, but someone said they did not do the video class. That's why I am reviewing the class. Okay. We also learned last class. Praso, hand down. Make hand ear down. Praso, make your hand down. Okay, thanks. Computer language is the medium of communication between computer and man. We learned this last class. We learned this last class. Different type of level or generation we have: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. We learned fourth generation and fifth generation. Today we will learn about first generation, second generation, and third generation. First generation. First generation means machine language. We discussed already about machine language. Machine language is 0 and 1. The machine language is the computer's own language. This is the basic language of computer. In this language, only 0 and 1 are used. We already learned. Praso has asked me about the 0 and 1. 0 and 1 means it's machine language. Clear? This allows us to communicate with the computer directly in machine language. Bits, bytes, memory address are used, such as arithmetic, control, input, output, direct use. Sometimes you read it and it's text basis. It's text, so you have to learn and memorize. It's text basis, so you have to learn and memorize. Advantage of machine language. The main advantage of machine language is that it can directly communicate with computer, because machine language is 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is own language. That's why computer also understand only 0 and 1. That's why computer can directly understand the machine language. There is no need to convert machine language. There is no need to convert machine language. That's why it's work fast. Machine language is not need large memory. Machine language machine language does not need large memory, because it's a small program. Machine language, by using machine language, we can make a small program. That's why it's need small memory area. To understand the inner structure of the computer is this language is used. To understand the inner structure of the computer, this language is used. Disadvantage of machine language. Disadvantage of machine language: no program is generally understood in machine language. No program is generally understood in machine language. In modern age, people use English language basically. Computer does not understand English language. It only understands 0, 1. It's hard to write the machine language because 0 and 1 is used. 0 and by using 0 and 1 only, writing program is very difficult. That means writing program in this language take a lot of time or and more likely to be wrong. That means it takes a lot of time and error message also very high. It is difficult to find the correct occur because 0 and 1, right, is very difficult. Agriculture, open your microphone. Asha, open your microphone. Ask your question. You raise a question. You agree? You agree? The biggest disadvantage of this language is that written program for a computer cannot be used on other computer. Machine language is also called lower level language. Machine language also called lower level language. Okay, thank you. Next, next one is assembly language. Next one is assembly language. We know 5 generation of language. First generation machine language, second generation is assembly language. Assembly language is also called symbolic language because it uses only symbol. That's why assembly language is called symbolic language. It uses different kinds of symbol. It started uses in 1950. This language was widely used in second generation computer. In the assembly language, the instruction and data address is given with a symbol and not a binary or hexadecimal number. Assembly language use only symbol. It does not use any binary number or hexadecimal number. This symbol is called symbolic code or mnemonic code. Sometimes some objective question like what type of assembly language is. That means assembly language is mnemonic code language, symbolic language, different question থাকে. For example, code. Example of code. Here देखो, addition means add. Add use means you are doing addition. Subtraction is short form sub. That means using sub you can deduct or subtract or assign minus. Multiplication is written as mal. Multiplication means multiply into Bangla gunon. Division is written as div. Division Bhag. Division means bhag. Every instruction has 4 parts label. How many instruction? 4 parts. Every instruction has 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. Label, opcode, operand, comment. How many instruction? 4 parts of number 1 label, opcode, operand. You have to memorize it because this type of question in objective type, MCQ type question. Next one, the program written in assembly language cannot directly understand the computer. So we can see that only machine language can understand the computer, because machine language is 0 and 1, also computer language is 0 and 1. That's why only first generation language can understand the computer, then second, third, fourth and fifth generation, all generation language cannot computer understand directly. For this reason, this kind of program has to convert into machine language. Since assembly language cannot understand computer, that's why computer need a converter to convert it into machine language. A special program is used for this converter. Every converter is a program or a software or a program. The following figure shows execution process in assembly program. That means assembly programming, assembler, object program. Object program means 0 and 1 is object program. Assembly program means source program, and assembler does do as a converter. Assembler does do as a converter. Assembler কি করে assembly program কে convert করে দেয় object program. Object program means machine language এ convert করে দেয়. Advantage of assembly language: program written in assembly language is easier than machine language. The program takes less time to write. It is easy to change the program. Disadvantage: it's hard to find error. Need converter program. Programmer needs to know about machine to write the program. Different machines use different assembly language. It is a machine dependent language. Machine dependent language means the program written in this the program written any language like assembly language only can run into a basic computer. By using the computer they are writing the program, especially only for that model or that company's computer can use the program. Yes, please. It easy to change the program. That means it easy to change the program. That means when you write a program by using assembly language, after running, you see that there is some problem. That type of problem you can change by using assembly language. It is easy. ক্লিয়ার? তার মানে কি কোনো একটা প্রোগ্রাম তৈরি করা লেখা হয়ে গেছে, প্রোগ্রাম যখন রান করে দেখলা তখন দেখলা যে লেখাটা মানে আমি যা চাচ্ছি সেটা আসছে না, সেটাকে আমরা পরবর্তীতে আমরা দ্রুত চেঞ্জ করতে পারি। এই চেঞ্জ করাটা খুব ইজি। যত জেনারেশন চেঞ্জ হবে তো চেঞ্জিং প্রসেসও তত ইজি হবে। ক্লিয়ার টু ইউ? নেক্সট টপিক, high level language. High level language is similar to human language. Similar to human language. We are talking each other by using English language. High level language just like the English language. This program written in high level language can use in different type of machine. Assembly language, we seen already that assembly language cannot use the different type of machine. Only special type of machine can use. But written in high level language can be used in different type of machine, different type of computer. You know, in market different type of computer is available. Some HP, IBM, different model, all type of computer can use high level language, but in assembly language this facility was not available. It is easy to understand for people, but computer cannot understand directly. High level language easy to understand for human, but computer does not understand directly because computer language is 0 and 1. I am saying this 0 and 1 is only for machine language. 0 and 1 is only for machine language, that means computer language. That's why computer cannot understand high level language, because high level language just like man's language or human language. Since machine does not understand high level language, so machine language need to convert machine language need to convert a converter. Machine language need to convert a converter. Converter it into machine language with the help of translator program. We are saying converter. This converter is called translator program. বাংলায় বলে অনুবাদক program. যে translate করে দেয় তাকে বলা হয় translator. Someone translate the program is called translator. In computer language, the program that translate high level language to machine language is called translator program. This includes QBasic, Pascal, C, C++, Java. The example is high level language. Example of high level language: QBasic, Pascal, C, C++, and Java. The classification of this high level language by using QBasic, Pascal, C, C++, Java. By using this language, when you start computer, you use computer, no? You use mobile phone. When you use Android, this type of software is made by high level language like C, C++, Java. You are using operating system in computer. Do it. You are using operating system in computer. The operating system also made by C, C++, and Java. different kind of software also made by C, C++, and Java. You are using lift. When you entering the lift, you push a button and which floor would you like to stay? Then push the button that floor and lift lifted you the last floor. It's one type of program. It's one type of program and software. This type of software made by high level language. Clear? Classroom শেষ আর একটু 5 মিনিট ক্লাসিফিকেশন হাই লেভেল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ তোমাদের 20 মিনিটস আছে ডিফারেন্স দুটার মধ্যে তাই না 5 মিনিট নিচ্ছি আরো ক্লাসিফিকেশন হাই লেভেল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ the general purpose language and a special purpose language. Use of high level language for making program, for making big program, for making in order to create software. This type of problem, high level language is available. Advantage and disadvantage of high level language, just read out it and understand. Try to understand. Then homework. Homework. Write down it. Distinguish between machine language and high level language. Distinguish between machine language and high level language. Fahad Hafi. Write down it. Hashi, speak out. লিখো দেখতে পাচ্ছ না homework distinguish between machine language and high level language it's homework for you এটা আমাকে নেক্সট ক্লাসে দেখাবা থ্যাংক ইউ স্টে হোম বি সেফ ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম